Today in this video we will learn about how to configure Outlook for emails. Open Microsoft Outlook and then go to Tools section. Now go to Account Settings section. Now you can create an account by clicking on Next button. You can enter the credentials here as name, email address, password that you have created in the Cpanel account. In case if you have forgotten the password of your email, then you can reset it from here, as well as you can see Setup Mail Client. Inside Setup Mail Client, you will find several options to configure. Now, once the account is created, double tap over that account. Make sure you have correct incoming mail server and outgoing mail server as per the settings. If all details are correct, then the connection will be established. But in most of the cases, it gets failed. So here there are several solutions to get out of this error. If the incoming mail server is not working, replace it by the hostname of server. If that is also not working, you can try to change the port address from 110 to 995. Similarly, for outgoing mail server, if it is not working, replace that by hostname of the server. If still that does not work, tick here and run again. Still, if that also does not work, then you can try to change the port from 465 to 587 or 25. If all of them are not working, then try to change these settings and check one by one.